Mini Gonzaga Channel.
Kailangan may mag-lead talaga dito. Baka magaganit ka.
Hindi. Putol kasi. Akala nila. Bukas dito. Awis malaman. Wala kasi dito. Dapat mag-shine din kayo para alam namin. Para mo ka lang. Mag-shine ka, mag-shine ka. Paano mo magkaroon ng nakatulsay na yun?
One, two, three, and... Hindi kailangan 10% verse. Yung phone yung kunin nyo.
Sino mag-delete? Sino na mag-delete yung susunod ko?
Oo, ano na eh.
Wala sila happy.
Ako ang maglilit, pero paano ko kayo ililit? Dalawa lang ang kamay ko. Ikaw na lang, dapat make sure na meron kang copy.
Wala ka sila.
Sa phone.
Support mo, Bon.
Teka, teka. Ay, di ko ikaw pangalan. Wait lang. Wala ka na ito.
Ang ganda ng taas na sa'yo sa akin.
Dahil sila ang puros pa. Ikaw may sabi ko mag-sign.
Alis na sila. Okay.
Andiyan ka?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I believe that Christmas is truly here.
Christmas Eve, for a bright tomorrow, where visions are
Merry Christmas, what a happy holiday. This season we will never forget the love we have for Jesus. We are one to guide us
as another new year starts, and may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. In every prayer and every song, the community alive, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. In love like the starlight on the first Christmas morn, there's love to the manger where Christ the child was born. So let us rejoice and sing a Christmas carol with one big joyful voice, proclaim the grace of the Lord. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday.
and happy holiday. This is happy holiday. This is one day we never forget. The love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another New Year start. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
Be always in ikaw ha. Yan pang last. Be always in Kaya tapos, sa katapusan, sabay kayo, Merry Christmas! Maganda. Maganda sa ulit kumanta.
Isa pa nga, ipaw na.
Koros.
Ulit yung babigyan ng sagot.
Di pa ending na, pa ending na.
Okay.
Ganun ba na?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and.
Ano?
Hindi pa ending na.
Sagot nga.
Hindi, pa ending.
Pending na sa lahat.
May always in our
Oh,
heart.
yung pa ending na pagka mag-ending ka na, di ba? Hindi na
Okay,
chorus yun.
isang
Ending.
chorus.
Pending. Okay, sa pending.
1, 2, 3, and.
Sige, napigit natin yan. Isa chorus, dalawang chorus ha. Magkukuros ka ulit, isa pa ha.
Oh, sige, okay.
1, 2,
This is a man we never forget. The love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another New Year start. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This is a merry, never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let me be the one to guide us as another New Year start. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Be always in our
Okay. Kaya yun, dito na tayo.
magsasign ka
So,
naman.
pag mag-end, pag be always in our hearts. Diba pag may iba, yung pag mataas.
And
Be
always in our heart.
Our hearts, pag may iba. Our hearts.
Susunod ako sa sign ka. Susunod ako sa sign ka.
Okay. Ulit.
Okay.
From the start?
Okay, isa, one set. From the top. Huwag kayong mag-chorus agad kung papasok kami sa second verse.
Sige.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
The sun was the lanterns on the street. Remember the time in the later on. Christmas tree, what a bright tomorrow, where nations are appeared, and all let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our
Kumapalya
hearts.
tayo pagdating ng chorus. From refrain to
Be
chorus.
always in our
Ay, tulong tayo gagawin kasi
hearts.
ang drums, naunahan nyo. Hindi maka...
Kasi kumalya pagdating ng chorus.
Ah.
Okay. Let's light our Christmas tree for a bright
Tomorrow, where nations are happy. Oh,
Di ba, Benzo?
O diretso pero sunod-sunado kanina pagdating ng chorus.
Dito yan, pero ang drums yung pakinggan nyo. Kasi hindi pa nakaruling.
Hindi kumalya kanina pagdating ng chorus umiba yung
Let's
chorus.
say, sabi niya kasi tumaas.
Ah,
Kaya
yes.
parang nawala.
Hindi, no?
Okay.
Nakaroon yung drums.
Okay, pa.
Okay, okay.
Pasok sa let's
Let's sing, okay.
hindi
Let's light the Christmas tree. Ah.
Okay, chorus.
Yeah.
Let's light our Christmas tree for a bright
tomorrow,
where nations are appeared.
Hindi, bilisan mo munti yung ulit mo. Kasi
Benzo, mas mo na yan.
mabilis lang eh. Hindi ka nila hintayin.